Hi, my name is Vivekanand Sutar. Today we will be discussing about one feature in Boomi, which is document tracking. Let's say uh, the customer is not using a standard EDI message or format, which needs to be transmitted from one end to another end, and we want to track it in the process reporting page under the documents option. So I'll simply go ahead and explain how we can do that with a simple process. The document for the document tracking, once we logged into our Boomi account, we can go to settings and account information and setup. So if you scroll down, there is one option called document tracking. Here I have already added few tracking options. Like for now, for the example, we will be using the file name tracking option. You can read over here what it does exactly. It allows you to identify your document in the process reporting. And let's say if I want to change a name of the document, so I can do that over here in this process, and we can track it over from process reporting. So I'll show you one simple process. After adding here, I can use the plus symbol and add another name also. I have added file name. Then we can go to the integration. I have designed one simple process for here. See, the start step is using one disk connector from where I'm picking up one file. And in the set properties, I will be setting the file name and the directory for the specific file or the document. Then if your requirement says you can put one map, if you want to change something, if you want to map something, then you can do that and go ahead. I have just designed one simple process. I am picking up the file, defining the file name and the directory. Then it will go to this uh, another disk connection where I'll put the file. So once I run this process, what it will do for me, it will change the file name. I've already run it. I can show you one process reporting page. See, here is the document. If I open the execution, in the start step, when I picked up the file name here was test. Using the property, I have changed the file name to new name 2. So if I want to track this from the process reporting page, let's say recently I have run it. Let's say it ran before 5 days. I want to track the document which I have sent to the set directory. Then I'll go to this process reporting and documents. As we have defined in the tracking field, there will be one option in the filter which says the tracked fields. We'll go over here. We can see here user defined. There are three user defined tracking fields which I have mentioned or which I have created in the account setting. So I will go with the file name. I'll put the file name over here. I'll try to apply it and see. It will give me the specific execution which I wanted to fetch. If I go and open the document, now I can see the file name is new name 2. The purpose of this document tracking is to identify your specific document among a lot of documents which doesn't use any Boomi standard to get filtered with. Let's say if I go to the filters once again and tracked fields, there are a lot of options. The AS2 ID, message ID. Let's say we don't have all these details in the document which we are sending. So in that case, we can use our own user defined tracking details and fetch the document easily. Thank you for watching.